My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news. Every day, the market is correcting up and down, but now we have a good correcting day. So please smash the like, push the bell notification on, subscribe to the channel, and let's share my screen. Let's go and check our favorite bubble chart to see what the market is doing. And as you see, few coins are in red. They are correcting like waves, but waves did really well yesterday, and Avalanche as well. And Arweave also correcting, Celo correcting. So, but few coins like ADA, YFI, One Harmony, Phantom, Luna, Red, Tezos is just pumping. Also, Aaron is correcting a little bit, and Hex doing the same. So as we see, Bitcoin is just plus 1%, Ethereum minus 0.5%, Hex minus 2.5%, and Cardano is rallying. Today we have the Cardano summit going on, and also tomorrow. So I think we are getting new partnerships, also product launches, smart contract launches, applications, and whatever that helping Cardano pumping further. So let's check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. Let's see what is happening outside. So the index showing us 28, so it's almost in the fear zone. Yesterday it was the same level, but the day before also it was at 21 in the extreme fear zone. And also we know that last month we were in the extreme greed zones and then corrected back. So let's check what we do have for today. So yesterday our main topic was the China ban is good for Bitcoin and in crypto in general, but that was a good occasion that news medias and ways were able to freak out people and just buy cheap Bitcoins and buy cheap cryptos from scared people. So this is how I think. But the Chinese ban of Bitcoin shows that the currency is delivering on its promises to enable freedom, something communism doesn't appreciate. So that was the news, the major message yesterday. Check out the yesterday video and you will know everything about what's happening with the China ban and why is it good for Bitcoin and crypto in general for long term. Our next piece of news is Bitcoin Lightning Network channel capacity hits another all-time high. Public channel capacity on Bitcoin Lightning Network continues to explode, hitting another all-time high of 2,738 Bitcoin. So this is really huge for Bitcoin. This is the Lightning Network is a layer 2 scaling solution built on top of Bitcoin-based layer, which allows to peers to open up a channel between each other and defer final settlement into the future. So this is how users can pull up Lightning Network and then can interact very cheap and fast. So Bitcoin Lightning Network capacity, we see that as Bitcoin price also increasing, but the Lightning Network capacity increasing as well. The Lightning Network also allows for private channels between peers, but this balance is not visible. On average, over the last 3 months, public channel capacity on the network has grown by 12.5 BTC per day. Bitcoin Lightning Network capacity, so that was an increase, 12.5 Bitcoin per day. Similar to the Bitcoin base layer, the best scaling solution for the Lightning Network is Bitcoin's underlying number go up technology, not only in public channel capacity going parabolic, but the exponential appreciation of the price of Bitcoin since Lightning first began to enter mass beta testing in early 2018. So we see that also with Lightning, the usage of Bitcoin in the everyday life is increasing. And you got the news yesterday that Twitter integrated a Lightning Network, and also you can tip and send Bitcoin through Twitter using Lightning Network. So this is huge. Bitcoin free ratio multiplied, 30-day moving average. So you will see also it's correlated to the price. This trend is very important for the adoption of the Lightning Network. It is likely true then on the other side of hyper-Bitcoinization, most people will not transact across the Bitcoin base layer, but rather across layer 2 solutions like Lightning. So guys, definitely I will leave it open. We will get back into this article. This is really huge. Our next piece of news is PlanB predicts Bitcoin will hit 100,000 by December, but warns once chart shows steep price drop incoming. When it will coming? Okay, so 100,000 in December according to his stock to flow model. So what will Bitcoin December closing price be? Stock to flow model says 100,000, or previously we got 135,000. Time model logarithmic regression says 30,000, not too much. Next couple of months will be interesting. Buy money in on stock to flow, of course. Price must be increased 100,000 plus to make a 100,000 average, or stock to flow is dead. Don't miss a beat. Subscribe to get. Okay, so that's all. And let's go to our next news that gold investors are moving to Bitcoin and Ethereum, according to Bloomberg commodity strategist Mike McGlone. Okay, the thing that I have underestimated this year is how much there's been disdain and outflows from gold, and people giving up on gold and going to Bitcoin and Ethereum, basically putting Bitcoin and Ethereum in the same bucket as gold. So as we speak, gold is down about 7% on the year, and Bitcoin is up almost 70%. Ethereum up almost 400%. We can fully expect debt to GDP, quantitative easing, levels fiscal monetary stimulus to continue to keep an unlimited supply of fiat currency. So fiat currency that causing all this trouble, meaning that the base of how you price Bitcoin should continue to have unlimited supply of fiat currencies versus limited supply of Bitcoin. It means that price must go up by rules of economies. So potentially by the end of October, but as futures-based ETF kind of the way you track most commodities, so it's just a matter of time. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler even hinted at that it would be a nice little baby step for the SEC, so it makes sense. So I don't know why SEC should take baby steps, why they not can take a real human step towards Bitcoin ETF. So this is a little bit crazy for me, but this is our major news for today. And let's go and check our charts. So economy looks really good, but this was just an altcoin that I checked. So Ethereum also, after this huge drop, now testing our trend line, and it is preparing to break this trend line. And if this will break, then I will come out with a new video and explaining to you what is happening with Bitcoin. But first, I want to clarify that this trend line will be broken. ADA is doing really nice. ADA broke up, retested our trend line, and just started to pump, also reached 2.4, and now consolidating about 2.4. And I think from here, ADA will go to $3 up from here. What about Ethereum? Ethereum also doing not too really good today. Somehow Bitcoin looks better to me, so it's really just nothing serious. So it's not seeming that it wants to break up. So first we should wait how Bitcoin will go up from here. But ADA is doing really well today, and few other altcoins like Wi-Fi as well pumping a little bit. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you smash the like. please subscribe on the channel, push the bell, notification all, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.